And Nimesh is still with us. Nimesh, tell us, what are you picking up?
And actually, another day of big outperformance of large caps versus the mid and small cap, and that seems to be the trend of the entire series, right? The Nifty, Bank Nifty is relatively and massively outperform both the mid cap and the small cap indices in this particular series. Again, this is backed by very strong FI buying. Today, the number may not be quite relevant because of the expiry, but throughout the series, we've seen big buying by FIs and domestic funds into the large cap names. So that's been the trend of this particular series. For today, metals have done well, autos have done well as well. So a lot of large cap sector stocks have done well in today's market as well. I guess all eyes will be on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty rebalancing, which will be effective tomorrow. Some individual names will be impacted. We highlighted trend, but watch out for BEL as well. That's get added to the Nifty, as well as Divis gets out of the Nifty. So those few stocks will get impacted because of the rebalancing. But for the next series, again, the feedback looks like the momentum will be clearly with the large cap names. So that's something to track. But in terms of triggers, geopolitical risk, earnings, as well as the central bank action, these are the few important triggers as far as the October series is concerned. But clearly, the September series was with the large caps, and looks like that momentum is likely to continue.
Yeah, absolutely. That large cap move has actually become real in this month. Take that point, Nimesh. What about individual stocks? What's catching your attention today?
Well, the first name is Pratap Snacks. Out of the blue, that stock is buzzing in trade. Big volumes as well. Stock is up 14%, large volumes. I understand some HNI investors are quite active. And also for a long time, there has been a chatter of a corporate development in Pratap Snacks. So something maybe on those lines, and hence a big move in that name. The second stock is Gulf Oil. There was a large block in the afternoon trade. Nearly 4% equity got changed hands. I understand the promoter entity was a seller. Some large HNIs and few domestic mutual funds were buyers. So again, disclosures will be quite interesting in Gulf Oil. The third name is Kalyan Jewellers. After a big move in that name, some bit of profit booking is clearly visible now. Again, there are block bids, is what I understand. Block offers is what I understand in Kalyan, and that's the reason why that stock is under pressure today. And the last is Oracle Finance. Within the IT name, this is one stock for the last many days because the stock was in F&O ban. There was delivery-based buying. That seems to be the trend today as well. And also today evening, we'll see the Accenture numbers. So maybe IT could be big to watch out for in tomorrow's trade. And Oracle stands out on back of FI buying.
Okay, got it. Absolutely. I was also looking at Pratap Snacks. Glad you brought this one up because Pratap is seeing a massive move, and actually it's got some company because Gopal Snacks is also running, I think, in tandem. 16 on Pratap, and Gopal, last time I checked, was up almost 5-6%. So very interesting moves in some of these mid-cap names. Let's go back to